My name is Ruth Olivia and I'm the soap barista from Austria. This October Soap Challenge Club by Amy Warden was very tricky, I found, and I made 2 designs and I didn't already decided which one I will enter to the challenge, so I show you both. First of all, how the soap turned out, with multicolored lines and a mica line in between, and the tricky part was to get these lines very straight, and it's not a perfect design, but I love this soap. And this mica line turned out to separate a few other batches of the soap, a few other lines, and so it ended up like a cute little house design. This is the second soap I made for this challenge, and I did an in the pot swirl with 3 different colors: the green one, the purple one and the pink one, and on top I put some melt and pour pieces of soap and a melt and pour line. You can see this here, I guess. And this is a far more exact soap design, so I guess I will enter this soap to the challenge, but I haven't decided this already, so we will see in the video which one I am going to enter. Have a good time and I hope you will enjoy my video, and